wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best chafing dishes. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Available in round and square models, the TigerChef forecourt is crafted from high-quality stainless steel with gold accents suitable for special events such as weddings. It is a bit more expensive than many others, but it also looks considerably better. Both the pan and cover are dishwasher safe, however it is bulky for its capacity, and the included utensils aren't very good. At number 9, if you're looking for something as stylish as it is functional, consider the Winco 708. From a popular manufacturer of affordable professional food service items, it's made of 18/8 stainless steel and polished to a mirror finish. It comes with elegant molded handles with wooden grips that don't get hot, but it doesn't have a lid holder. Coming in at number 8 in our list. Suitable for high-end catering companies and events, the Winco Winwhere features a mirror-polished roll top that rests at halfway and fully open positions. It comes with a durable pair of tongs, although these are more suited to the kitchen than a fancy dining room. It's got a capacity of 6 quarts and includes 2 gel fuel cans. However, it costs quite a bit. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for chafing dishes, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, a vented glass lid allows guests to see what's inside the nucu Artisan without having to open it, so the contents remain hot. When it comes time for a large crowd to feed all at once, there's a convenient wire hook to hang the lid on. It measures 13 inches in diameter and just over 10 inches tall on its stand, but the metal isn't incredibly thick. Moving up our list to number 6. Available with either an antique or bright copper decorative coating, the Old Dutch 685 is a rustic and attractive model that can accentuate a high-end dining room. Its food pan holds as much as 6 quarts and is safe at up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. It comes with a matching fuel holder and a black iron stand. However, it is extremely expensive. Halfway up our list at number 5. If you only need to furnish the equipment for a single event, the Party Essentials serving kit has you covered. Its 33 pieces include everything you need to serve up to 6 different dishes at once, including serving spoons and tongs. It includes 6 cans of fuel and is great for outdoor parties, but the utensils are a bit flimsy. At number 4, designed to accommodate a standard hotel pan, the Giantex full size is a good choice for a catering outfit that doesn't want to spend a fortune. 2 small hooks on the rear allow you to hold the lids vertically during service, so guests don't have to lift them up. These are sold in a pack of 2 with convenient carrying handles and easily extinguished burners. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. The Tramontina Pro line is a commercial-grade option constructed from high-quality 1810 steel, making it durable enough to last for years. The insert is safe for use in the oven at up to 390 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's ideal for cooking many dishes. It has a capacity of 9 quarts and includes a dripless water pan. It's suitable for both hot and cold foods. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for chafing dishes, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the well-constructed excellanté roll top is designed to withstand frequent use by a restaurant or catering service. It's great for a self-serve cafeteria or a buffet line, as it can be easily slid open and closed with one hand. The handles stay cool during use, and the fuel canisters don't slide around. It sports an attractive minimalist appearance. And taking the top spot on our list, promising reliability and value, the TigerChef stainless steel is available as a single unit or in quantities of up to 6. Its lidded burners are safe and easy to put out, and you can choose from 1/3, 1/2 and full-size inserts to accommodate varied menus. It boasts a simple satin finish, cool touch plastic handles, and legs that collapse for storage. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for chafing dishes, or simply click beneath this video.